Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add Microsoft account in mobile. Microsoft accounts are used to access a wide range of services such as Outlook, Office 365, OneDrive, Skype, and more. Having a Microsoft account is essential for using the latest version of Microsoft products and services. Creating a Microsoft account is easy and can be done on your mobile device. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a Microsoft account on your mobile. Step 1. Download the Microsoft Outlook app. The first step is to download the Microsoft Outlook app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once you've downloaded the app, launch it and tap on Get Started. You'll be asked to enter your email address. If you don't have one, you can create a new one by tapping on Create Account. Step 2. Enter your information. Once you've entered your email address, you'll be asked to enter your first and last name, a password verification code. Make sure to choose a strong password that you won't forget. Once you've entered all your information, tap Create Account to finalize the process. Step 3. Verify your account. Once you've created your account, you'll need to verify it. Microsoft will send you a verification code to your email address. Enter the code in the Microsoft Outlook app, and you'll be able to access all of the features of the app. Step 4. Sign in to other Microsoft services. Once you've verified your account, you'll be able to sign in to other Microsoft services, such as Outlook, Office, OneDrive, and more. To do this, simply launch the app and enter your email address and password. Step 5. Manage your account. The last step is to manage your account. This includes changing your password, setting up two-factor authentication, and more. You can do this by tapping on the settings icon in the Microsoft Outlook app. Creating a Microsoft account on your mobile device is easy and can be done in just a few steps. Once you've created your account, and you'll be able to access all of the features of the Microsoft Outlook app and other Microsoft services. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.